Driving isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about freedom. It's about family. It's about getting back to the life you love. At Olympus TSS and Interlock, we believe in second chances. We believe in our community, and we believe in you. We are more than individuals on the road. We are a community. Every stoplight, every crosswalk, every turn we take affects more than just us. Safety isn't just personal, it's shared. At Olympus, we believe in protecting what matters most: our families, our friends, our neighbors. Because safe driving isn't just about you, it's about all of us. Because when you're back on the road, you're back to what matters most: your future, your family, and your freedom. When we make responsible choices, we build a safer, stronger community. One where every child, every family, every driver gets home safely. One family, one community, one road we all share.